Welcome to Vessel Studio. Let's get Rhino connected with Vessel Studio in just a few quick steps. Start by opening Rhino, then head to the Package Manager. In the search bar, type Vessel Studio. Click Install and Rhino will handle the setup automatically. Once it's installed, simply restart Rhino to activate the plugin. Next, you're going to need to generate an API key. Open the Vessel Studio panel from the Plugin tab and click Settings. Now, head to your Vessel Studio dashboard online. Go to Settings, Integrations, Rhino Plugin, give it a name and click Generate Key. Copy that key and paste it back into Rhino. Once it's validated, your Rhino viewport is linked directly to your Vessel Studio workspace. You can now capture your model, send it for AI renders, and generate presentation-ready visuals instantly. Design, capture, visualize. Vessel Studio for Rhino.